Let's get ready to rumble. Now we ready to rumble. Now we ready to rumble. All right. What in the bull's balls is going on in crypto?
Last night I made a beat and I found out I wasn't even on. I ain't even had no sound playing. I'm pissed off about it. But either way it goes, what in the bull's balls is going on in crypto today? We got a new top for right now. But the way things been looking, boy, we might blow the top off of that top. Ooh. I don't see it. I don't see it. Where is it at? Add it. Oh, I do see it. It is there. I'm tripping. I'm blind. I'm blind. I can't see. Alright. Because Bitcoin is still doing this once. Good Lord, have mercy. Bitcoin says it's going up to 87. And from 87 it's 90. And from 90 it's 130. That's a fact. That's a fact. That's the one. I want that one that be like money, money, money. But oh well. Let's see what my dog Ben got to say about Bitcoin.
Yeah, hello and welcome to another update video about Bitcoin. Yeah, here on the Bitcoin chart, we are currently still tracking a bullish scenario as highlighted in yellow, as well as a short-term bearish one. In both of them, I assume we are quite close to a low. Yeah, probabilities would suggest that we are quite close to a low. Again, whether we are getting another low or not, only the market will decide. Bottom line is that so far there isn't enough that's happened from the low this week, okay, in terms of upside structure, to confirm that a low has really formed in this fourth wave. So let's talk about the short-term bullish scenario, and we will have to readjust those upside Fibonacci levels based on what we see in the chart right now. Because if this is the yellow scenario, and if we really bottomed in the fourth wave, well, then the parameters have changed, because this year would be an extended wave too. Yeah? So for now, the price is still moving just between support and resistance. The resistance area hasn't changed at all. It's still between $83,718 and $85,474. And then we could possibly find support in the yellow scenario in this area between 78,000.
We like right 84, 9. We like right here. It's $500 away from it.
185 and 81,022 dollars. Yeah, this would be micro support. We've got micro resistance and micro support. And to be honest, as long as we don't really break below support or above resistance, there's nothing that would give us really a clear indication how the market is deciding. But as I already mentioned earlier, the white scenario remains just at the moment the most probable outcome. Posted that earlier today here on X. Yeah, if you want to have some additional updates, even in between our market video updates here on YouTube, check out X. The X profile link is in the video description. Communication here was earlier today. Another low remains the most probable outcome for now. Yeah. So here you can stay up to date between videos. You don't get as many updates as in our gold membership. The gold membership includes various updates, more about Bitcoin, but also various additional updates, sometimes on-chain data updates and much more, live streams and so on. But here you can engage in discussions on X. So feel free to join us here for the conversation if you're interested. But yeah, let's go back to the live chart. What I wanted to share, no, that's what XRP. What I want to share is the microstructure. We want to dive into the microstructure in the yellow scenario before we talk about the white count. So let's do that first. Let's take a look at the micro or nano structure here for Bitcoin. And I mean, if this is a wave 2 still, yeah, support is clear. Normally in a wave 2, we don't want the price to break below the 78.6 retracement. But then I would probably have to go with the assumption that this is an A wave that unfolded there actually as a flat correction, a B wave, and we're now moving down in wave C. This, of course, to a degree speculative, and I think I mentioned it in the early update that, see, as long as we hold above support and below resistance, everything that's happening here is really just noise. And then you might say, okay, look, maybe this is a wave 1, a wave 2, 3, 4, 5 in wave C or something. So there is a chance it could find support somewhere around 80,180 or so.
Man, that's crazy. It had all that happened. All of this already happened yesterday. That's what yesterday was about. We dipped down here into 70. Let me see if I can pull it up real quick, because obviously he's saying 79 and 80. I think, if I'm not mistaken, I think we hit that yesterday. Today is the 14th. So the 13th is from here. Yeah, we hit that yesterday. Boom, C wave. So basically, off of Ben's projections for Bitcoin, I gotta see that again real quick. We got that's the A wave on the 12th. B, okay. So we got this like this. He's saying A, B, C, then he's saying D will be all the way, this wave will be all the way up here. Let's see. We trying to go to 92. And then obviously we have to have another pullback, which will bring us back down to this. And then we'll have continuation, which should go up here somewhere. And that, sirs and peoples, should be it's a lot of activity on this chart. But like I said, we are at 85.1, and the rejection line was somewhere around 85.4 487. So let's put us a line here because we've already passed this resistance. Let's go up here to 85. Let's put it at 85.
Open-minded about the idea that we could have bottomed already. Absolutely. I mean, I've been the guy who's told you that the daily RSI, when it's oversold below 30, it typically would lead to a substantial bounce. Now we haven't seen that yet, but I also told you it is not very good for bottom picking. So just because the RSI is below 30, which it was on the daily chart, it doesn't mean that's the low. It just means in that area we're watching for a substantial bounce. It could be a corrective bounce, right? But historically, it's typically led to, I mean, at least 20, 30, 40% upside, even if it was just a dead cat bounce. And that's still what I'm watching for. Or maybe a rally to new all-time highs. I mean, again, refer to our daily chart updates for that. But yeah, I mean, open-minded about this, the idea of a wider wave too. But you know what we've seen in recent weeks, whenever the price had a chance to break out and then failed, and okay, it widened the wave two and then failed again, you know, and essentially it broke very often, and you know, when that happened in the past. So in the white count, that obviously shifts the focus to the white count. In this count, the price formed the WXY structure to the upside from this week's low, WXY, and the Y wave would be an ABC. It doesn't count that well as the white count, I have to say. So therefore, that's one of the reasons why I'm definitely giving the bulls here the chance. You know, I'm tracking that scenario. But still, you know, we are still overall printing lower lows, lower highs. The price could not break and sustain above the Monday high, and we could not break above resistance. So, yeah, I think
we broke above that
what's going to be
motherfucker
important
today.
now in the next.
Oh yeah, we broke above it today. And we maintaining so far. What is this news event? See, oh, okay. Euro's giving away, growing amid a likely spending agreement. None of this stuff is about nothing. Ooh, that's the first red I see in a little grip on this. That's a nice. Yeah. Where we at? Let's see. Futures. Where we at? We up 48. Look, we up a little $48 on the trade right now. 44. That shit dropping like a plummet of rocks. I might get up out of it just to lock in some profits. But we're gonna keep on trucking along.
Let's say 24 hours, 48 hours is to see if the price can, when it goes a little bit lower, react to micro support and then generate an upside reversal to start a third wave rally. And it's important we're holding 78,185, and the 85,474 level needs to be broken to shift probabilities towards the yellow count. And then we have to see if the bulls can form 5 waves up to possibly 92, 93K or so, based on what we see right now, because this wave 2 is extending. So yeah, it's a range, and we're moving up and down, and between support and resistance, there isn't really much new stuff to add. It's really just noise. We need that breakout. So until then, we can only speculate. Let me know in the comments if you think we've bottomed already, or if you think we get another low. Yeah, hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe.
Wait, this was 15 minutes ago. He just dropped another one?
Hello and welcome to another MCO update on Bitcoin. We take a look at the chart after the New York session started, and the price is reaching resistance again, yeah? And we see signals that the bulls want to take over here and drive the price above resistance, and maybe it happens in this video. It's looking good. As you know, I'm favoring a bottom forming, an important bottom forming in this region, either already formed or after one more low, but this is the region where we would like to see a bottom forming. And the price is currently working its way here into the resistance area. And I have to say, it starts to look more like the yellow scenario. I believe today could be quite central because if we don't get a breakout today, to be honest, then it could be a really, really long weekend again. So a breakout today, maybe wave 4 weekend. Let me know in the comments what you think. What I can track here still is a potential. Let's start with the short-term bullish scenario, yeah? So before we take a look at the short-term bearish one, which we have to adjust based on latest price action, we'll take a look at the short-term bullish one first, which suggests that we have a wave 1 to the upside, a wave 2 to the downside. The price, as you might remember from the last video, landed perfectly in the support area for a wave 2. Not only in the support area, also in this blue target area, which is a little bit more precise. And yeah, there was a bit of a cluster of support levels here in the area around 80,060 to 80,490. And we could be working our way higher now in a third wave. And that means if we really start a third wave from here, we should see some increased upside momentum that we see right now. And the price should get to 90,133. So this is a scenario in yellow that will be further confirmed, and it might have already happened when you watch the video. Yeah, that's the problem with videos. They get outdated quite quickly in crypto, but we always try to provide accurate and as much as let's say rapid information as fast as possible. For latest updates, you can check our gold membership. There you get like instant updates if something happens also in between videos. But that's just not manageable on YouTube. But again, the yellow count will be further confirmed with a break above these previous highs. Let's say these week's highs. They will probably be taken out the way it's looking right now. Yeah, so around 84,300 to 84,500. And then once that is cleared, which might happen live in the video, then 85,470 is next resistance. That's an important one. That's to 84,500. And then these week's highs, they will probably be taken out the way it's looking right now. Yeah, so around 84,300 to 84,500. And then once that is cleared, which might happen live in the video, then 85,470 is next resistance. That's an important one. That's the golden ratio level. Now, from my experience, whenever we see increased upside momentum when the price moves into resistance, that is quite interesting because it could indicate that the bulls really are serious here. But resistance isn't cleared yet. What we then want to see is a rally to 90K. Could be the day today. It could be the day today. That would be short-term bullish. And then third wave, yeah, first ideal target, 138% extension based on our guidelines, Fibonacci guidelines. It's always important not to only count the waves visually, but also to use Fibonacci guidelines together with it, yeah. I see it again and again. People send me counts or charts, and they can sometimes be valid, but they wouldn't be the most probable scenarios because these wave counts, they come from they're just like visual wave counting, right? But you need to use Fibonacci measurements together with your wave counts, or it's just too subjective. So you need to bring an element of objectivity into this, which can only come from the Elliott wave Fibonacci guidelines, right? And you can refine them further, which is what we've done as well. But yeah, there are different concepts there. But essentially, when you just do visual wave counting, you can't. It's just too subjective. Okay, so anyway, this would be my first ideal target, 90K here for the third wave. Then we want to get a fourth wave pullback. Could land again sort of in the area around 87K. And then a fifth wave up that should get to at least 92K. That would be the bullish roadmap. Before we dive into the short-term bearish scenario, and this is happening right now. Before we dive into the short-term bearish scenario, I just want to show you what the MCO community is voting for on X. Obviously, I invite you to join us here for the conversations. We are quite active here on X every single day. Just asked earlier today, guys, let me know. Do you wait for or are you hoping for another low? Do you believe there's going to be another low?
No,
or is the
no
low
more
in?
lows.
Do we see a bit more sideways chop? And the thing is, the MCO community is very split. Yeah, there is not really that one decision. You see, that is, I believe, a reflection of the uncertainty we see at the moment in the market. More blood incoming, 35%. The bottom is in, 33%. sideways chop, 28%. Well, it could go up or down or sideways, right? It's just uncertainty. We have to watch the levels. But as I said, I myself believe that an important low is forming in the current region. I shared with you in the previous update the bullish divergence on the daily chart. I shared with you on the weekly chart that bullish cross on the stochastic RSI. I shared with you that the CME gap got closed. I shared with you that the downside move is pretty much complete. Surely we might get another extension, a few more downside squiggles, maybe to 75k. But ideally that should be it. And you might remember from one of my previous videos also the daily RSI, when it's oversold historically, it has been a buy signal for Bitcoin. Yeah, so you can still vote. Let me know your opinion. 600 votes, so you're quite active here. And if you have any questions about that, just put it into the X quote as a question. We do reply. Often it's me. 1 second. Often it's me. I'm checking in every single day, frequently on X as well. But yeah, this is pretty much it here. Looking good for the bullish count. Now, from a bearish point of view, this wave 4 has to extend now, but it starts to look less likely now. Now we have to be careful because the wave 4, as long as it's only a third, let's say a 3-wave rally, it could easily be an extended wave 4. As long as it's within the 61.8 retracement or below, yeah, there is no confirmation we're breaking up, but it's starting to look good. It actually starts to look more like an ABC structure, not a WXY pattern. But again, it would be an A wave up, B wave down, C wave up now. And but then if that's the case, the Fibonacci.
The car folks wanted their monies. They say, I need my money today, baby. No, not today, not today, not today. You got it. We made a little $40 come up on that trade just now. I see that we hitting that resistance. So I'm about to switch this over to a little short real quick. Hopefully it don't bust my face off. Cause good Lord have mercy, your boy has not been having a lot of luck. Oh no. I want it to go. I want that thing to go in immediately. Oh, I probably didn't want it to go in immediately, but then I do. I really, really do. I really do.
I need to talk to you for a second.
I really do. I do. Let me see.
Really? Really, bro? You hit me with the door? This isn't very important. You're not listening to anything I'm saying at all.
What's important is I'm on a fucking live stream. You don't need to be in there talking about shit, bro.
Hit me with the door.
Did I put my short in? So distracted. Now I might have lost my damn. Let's see. Ben, talk to me.
Fibonacci extensions point to 87k, and that's too high really for a wave 4. So it's going to be interesting. I think at this point we see live like where probabilities might be shifting towards a low could be in already, just on the micro level here. Yeah, always important to understand the context where this is already, in my opinion, a bottoming area with all the indicators I shared over the last few days. I also shared a lot of on-chain indicators with you in our membership, different on-chain indicators flagged buy signals, for example. Yeah. So, but again, that is all just, let's say, fluff, additional stuff that we're tracking sort of in the background. What is really important is price, and the price is not yet broken above critical levels, but that is going to be central throughout the New York session here today. I think all the levels should be clear. And yeah, that pretty much, yeah, it looks a bit like a 5-wave move up even now from the low. So as long as we stay above the Thursday low here, pressure seems to be up short term. but I'll stay very close to that. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, as I said, make sure you follow us on X for more discussions, more in-depth content, and check out the membership for like everything. Thank you very much.
I think I'm probably just gonna let it. You get to this moment where it just be so indecisive in what to do. I just don't know. I don't know. It's so bullish right now. Oh my gosh. I just wanted to come down like maybe another penny. I should have seen my signal up here. I think I need a little bit more. Oh man, I think I need to find some way. I just need to find a way to 34 cents. Give me the path. If Bitcoin keep coming down like it is, we might have found it. We might have found the path. Just give me the light. 66. And it bounced. Of course it bounced because it's such a fucking bullish day. I'm playing with fire right now. Let's see. Ben, talk to me.
Fibonacci extensions.
I know the market's gonna do whatever Bitcoin is gonna do, so I just need y'all to give me some love today real quick. Just give me a little bit of love, baby. God damn, just a little bit. Fuck. Let's just get out of that. Let's not even try that shit. Let's stick with the long, because today is a long day. I can assure you of that. I can assure you of that.
Always important to understand the context where this is already, in my opinion, a bottoming area with all the indicators I shared over the last few days. I also shared a lot of on-chain indicators with you in our membership, different on-chain indicators flagged buy signals, for example. Yeah? So, but again, that is all just, let's say,
That nigga Ben dropping videos back to back.
At the liquidation levels on the chart, a lot of liquidity above us. There's a little bit of liquidity below us, but all this liquidity, we can see this 29 million, 85 million, 87 million, moving up, 75 million, 85. I mean, there's hundreds of millions up into the billions of dollars, all the way up into here, 51 million. Right in here, we got 123 million, all the way up to this zone.
Oh yeah, you right. That is true now. We can we can take a look at that real quick. Coin Ankh. I want to see XRP because that's where my trade is. That's where my area of interest is at. Jeez. It's a lot of it. But it's a lot of it down here, boy. There's a lot of it down here, boy. It getting juicy down there, boy. Getting juicy down there, boy. But we got more to get up here, though. It would be a time when it goes back down. Oh God, yeah. That's what it is. It's definitely a fucking swing fail. Fuck me and my arse. Fuck me and my arse. Come on, bro. I swear I be hating. I be hating. Sometimes I be rathering to do shit on my phone. Cause goddamn, on the computer it just be doing the most. It just do the most sometimes. Goddamn, yeah, it's a swing failure for sure. We went up here and didn't make it. Now we just kerplonking. Look at it in a better light. In a better light, you see it like this. In a better light, it looks like this. In a better light, it looks like this. Yeah, buddy. Rolling like a big shot. Let's see if we can get it. And that's crazy because I had asked for it to drop me another penny down when I was in that other little short and that motherfucker didn't want to do it. But now I want to do it. With a little help from Bitcoin. I would ideally like it to touch down here. I'll take a quick little $20 real quick, a little $20 scalp. Take profit. We don't need to take it all. Confirm. For sure. For certainly. For certainly. But see, it ain't. Oh, it's a little bit. It's a little bit. Yeah, Bitcoin keep on coming. Come on, baby, 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 baby. Come to Papa. Come to Papa. 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 No, 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 no. You doing the wrong thing, baby. You ain't going the right direction, baby. You supposed to be drop, 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 drop. Drop down, drop dummies. Drum dummies make this, and we gonna kill it. It's like it just want to do whatever it want to do. I don't know what you want. I just want to go. I just want you to give me a good old nice wicking down. I get out as soon as the wick hit. No cap. I get out the way. I'm out the way, baby. Cause they gonna go around and make my blood pressure go crazy, man. I don't. Honestly, I don't even like how this shit look though. Like, how am I supposed to see all of that over here? Oh, there, like that. Gotcha. RSI keeps picking up. Drum dummy made the beat and we gonna kill it. Sitting here waiting on time, just waiting on time to pass by, just waiting on money to come out the sky. It ain't convincing. The It's not a convincing drop. It's not a convincing drop at all. And they really just fighting. They just fighting and fighting and fighting. Can I find any type of confluence? Oh my. Oh wow. Oh wow. Look at the fleas on Fluffy. Oh man. Patience. Patience. I just need a little bit more patience. I don't be having no patience for this shit. I don't be having the patience. I ain't got no patience for this shit. We need a big boy drop right now. Like that. I need a drop. I need that motherfucker. I'm talking about. You know what I'm talking about? I need that motherfucker. Pop, 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 drop, drop, drop. Drop, down, drop, drop. Shit is getting real out here. Why is this stuck up there like that? That is crazy. Come on, man. Do the right thing, man. Do the right thing, man. We ain't looking like we trying to do the right thing, man. Look like we trying to curl back up. Oh, man. Goddamn. I put in a short at Bitcoin yesterday before I fell asleep. I ain't even mean to fall asleep for real. I put a short in, like, I think I seen it drop. Like this candle right here, and I think I said, you know what? I think we going back down to 70s. And then that motherfucker I fell asleep. Wait, what time was this? No, this wasn't this time. This wasn't this time. It was like 2 in the morning. Oh, I think it might have been this drop. It might have been this one. And it's funny because I'm looking at it right now, and as soon as I put my short in, that motherfucker said, no, we going the other way. We going the other way, Jay. I'm surgical with this thing, Jay. I'm surgical with this thing, Jay. If we don't know, it looked like it could be making this pattern right here again. For real. Realistically, that's all the pattern. That's all it's really been doing is, I think, every time I've seen it do any drops is, it's like a Nike check. That bitch like a Nike check every time. Drop, take off. Here we go. Take off. Drop, take off. Take off. Every time. It's just a frustration in my life right now. I ain't gonna lie. I ain't even gonna hold you. Red is my favorite color, and I hate seeing it right now. For real. What I'm gonna do is, because I already made a little pop. What I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna drop my leverage so that way I could just sit on something for a little grip of time and rest easy for the rest of the day, knowing that we making money, baby. Even if it ain't what I wanted to be making, I'm gonna just ride it out. It's the last 100. It's the last 100. All or nothing. All or nothing. If I lose it all, I'm done. I'm done trading forever. But if I win, I win big. Because I'm riding this motherfucker up to the top. The top is $1 higher than where we are right now. And $1 higher than where we are right now. Just for shits and giggles, let's see $1 higher. That's what I'm talking about. That's the type of P&L I want to see right there. I want to see that type of P&L right there. We get that, we good. You ain't got to worry about me. I ain't going to be tripping no more. But I need that. That's a nice little P&L. P&L. We got to get past this little baby right here. Get past that little baby right there, we all right. Get past that little baby right there, we'll be all right. But next time we get past that part right there, we probably get smacked back down. So I'm wondering if I should just go ahead and put a little take profit there, let it drop, do the little Nike swoop again. Yeah, I think that's what I'm gonna do. That's the smart move. That's how you play it smart. We gonna take. Oh, no. Why did it go all the way up to 241? I'm at 238. There we go. Oh, okay. I see. Partial. We need a partial. That's what it was. We just need the partial. And then we gonna boom. And then we gonna take 75% of that. 75. Boom. And then we'll wait until it drop a little bit. And we're gonna put that 75 back in there and let it Nike check us up. That's the game plan for the day. That's the game plan. We're gonna keep on doing that. That's how you gonna build. That's how we gonna build this little pot we got. Last 100. The last 100 is real. That is real, baby. That shit ain't no joke. You think this is a game? I can't play like that. Ooh, make sure I don't leave that. Where can I get me some crypto news? Let's get us some crypto news. What the what? I say crypto news. Why we talking about a baby wombat? The fudge. CoinDesk. A trusty source for all of your bro. Get off my screen, bro. Nothing here. Nothing here. Nothing, 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 nothing. Where the fuck is... Oh, man, they tripping. Let me see what this nigga's talking about right quick. What he got going on?
With relationships, how you deal with loved ones, how you deal with lovers, how you deal with friends, how you deal with if somebody cuts you off on the road. Did somebody cut you off? Let's stop being whiny little bitches. Nobody cuts you off ever. Somebody changes lanes because they need to be in that lane, not because they're like, I'm going to go get Kelly. I'm going to cut him off and make him frustrated. That's not how the world works. Yeah. We are here to take advantage of every opportunity in this world. And every opportunity could be, am I upset at this?
It's definitely looking like it's about to do that little cup and handle bullshit. We got one right here. We looking like we gonna have one right here. Oh, they got them right here. This shit has been an ongoing thing. You faking people out to the down, then hit them with the hammer. Boom, we going up, baby. We going up from here. That's how they keep on playing. I need to. Where's we do this on XR because obviously that's where we trading today. Oops, 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 oops. Didn't mean to do that. Let it go. Because XRP been doing the same thing. I mean, obviously anything Bitcoin does, everything else does the same thing for the most part. For the most part, not exactly. But I am in a long ad. Where's my price at? Oh shit, we just got bounced again. Man, stop playing with me, bro. Oh. They gonna stop playing with me. See, now we got, man, they gonna stop playing with me, yo. Oh, it's all good. Oh wait, no, it ain't all good. What the heck? I thought I dropped this down. Oh, they done killed me off. They done did me dirty. Ooh, they done did me dirty. Because I was not. Oh, man. I thought I was at 15. I thought I was at 15. Waiting. What's my margin now? Oh, they didn't do it. Man, see, they playing with a nigga. They playing with my emotions. Oh, here we go, playing with my emotions. Oh, man. That hurts. Oh, that hurts. Oh, that hurts. Oh, that hurts. That hurt so bad. I swear that hurted. Because that was definitely not what, it was definitely supposed to be right here. Like, I don't even understand why that didn't happen. I'm sitting here thinking this whole time I'm in a safe short. I'm in a fucking nightmare. I mean, I'm in a safe long. I'm in a nightmare long. I'm in a nightmare long.